Hey, good good morning, 5-minute traders, and I want to talk a little bit about the S&P now that we're through Thanksgiving, and we've got a couple weeks here before we slow down again for the final 2 weeks, and really the third. I say the opening week of January tends to be pretty slow, also. So keep this in mind. We're coming into the silly season. We're running to the end of the month here in November, and just wanted to take a look at where we were the end of October. And if you don't recall, we were trading. We closed the end of November at around 25.72, and as we speak right now, we're trading 26.05 here at 6:54 a.m. on the West Coast, and the move that we've had recently here from 55 up here to 08 is about 53 points. And I like to see about 2.5%. So 2.5% of 2,600 right now is around 52 plus 13, which is about 65. So 65 points from here, a move from 55, gets you up to about let's see, what is that? 26.20. I would like to start selling this market again. Again, this is how you prepare. In a slow-moving market where the VIX is single digits again, you really have to pick your spots carefully because the moves aren't that big, and you have to be prepared, for slower times and wider moves. So, kind of that 26.10 to 26.20 area is where I would like to sell. We didn't quite get there today, so I'm pointing this out because I may not take a trade yet today, but just like the Euro came back nicely over the last couple days as we suggested, and I think that this can do the same thing again here. So let's take a look at selling in a range, the S&P, kind of from 26.12 up to 26.20. And set some alerts, put your orders in, and forget about them. But this is how you need to kind of look at a market like this. We're running into the end of the month. You can see the volume here just dying during Thanksgiving week, and that's why we suggested you don't trade. Look at that volume last week. Slow on Monday, it just got slower all week. And there's, this was yesterday. We pick up a little bit, but even yesterday was not even as close as last Monday. So the Thanksgiving hangover continues in this market, and it's the month end. So today is T+3, which means it's and when we close here today, it's basically we've got 3 days to clear for most trades, and this is often a key day, just where most people kind of close their books off for the month and then start putting together their letter to their investors. So on the hedge fund side of things. So that's it. Again, volume is very light here. I don't know what's going to make it pick up. We've got the whole tax situation going on and on and on, and the market's just kind of drifting after all these gaps. Again, remember, most of these moves are happening overnight. Most of the big moves happen, and some buy program comes in and takes us up 0.5% or so. And other than that, this market, when you look at the S&P, is very tight and very difficult to day trade. So if you don't think that you need to know the conditions that you're trading in when it comes to trading, swing trading versus day trading, this is not a market that you want to be day trading. It's a true scalper's market. Are you trading 100 lots for half points? Because that's really what you're going to be looking at here today. It is so tight in here. It is so wound. And it's not a strategy that we employ, nor do we suggest you. So look for better moves. And again, 26.12 to 26.20 in the next couple days. If we can get that area, I'd be interested in putting a sell on after a 2.5% move since the mid part of November. So that's it. Have a great day. We'll see you on the other side. Happy Tuesday, and be careful out there. It is November 28th, 7 a.m.